What's up, guys? Model Airport Nation here, and here you guys can see I have a brand new package here from none other than Clipper Models themselves. Now, I do have the Orlando B gates here as well as Denver's A expansion, so I now do have the full A gates at Denver International Airport from Clipper Models, so that's really cool. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and take a look. As you guys can see, it's really packaged quite well to avoid anything moving around. So highly recommend ordering from Clipper Models here. Everything's nicely labeled too. Yeah, let's dive on in and let's see what we got. All right, guys, we're back here. I got it all laid out here, as you can see. Now there is an ATC tower too that they are sending me that will go actually, right on here. So very good. But let's go into the details here. You also do have stairwells, lights, and additions here. So super cool. Nice and neat. Super cool. So we'll definitely get into that. I'll be getting that all together and I'll show you guys in a separate video, once everything is up and running here. We also do have the Denver A gates expansion here, which I'll be adding to my other portion of the A gates. So that'll be in another video here. But it's a nice quick look. Also have a diagram too explaining on how those will go too. But I know we're here for the MCO here, guys. Check this out. Love the train station, the iconic train station with the lights when you come in. I also did ask him for extra track. So if you do see it with shorter track in the ad, I did pay for more track as well. So just keep that in mind. Lots of details here. Check this out. I always like going through this window here when I fly because you can see the planes when you're walking out. And usually there's a wide body parked here. Usually it's right here actually where Delta's gates are, to the left of the track here. Super cool. And then also you have this side over here where you have usually Virgin Atlantic parked here. Usually an Air Canada 777 LR or a 787 Dreamliner. Now it's usually the A321, but honestly, they're always switching off, guys. So you literally never know what you're going to see here, unless like you're following it daily, which I'm not quite following it daily, so I never know usually. But definitely a nice surprise. I don't know if they're going to be re-renovating this someday. Hopefully they just re-renovate like inside the terminal, just because the layout of this terminal obviously doesn't show the inside, so super cool. Also, guys, here is an update on the construction progress of MCO. I do have a layout being created for this, like I had mentioned. So I think I am just going to probably just put this away, honestly, until the layout comes. Just because it'll be a lot more realistic once we have the layover from Hangar 505. Then you guys can just see it. And literally, it's all its glory. But absolutely stunning work by Clipper Models. Shout out. Just pop this bad boy back on there. But yeah, super cool. I did glue all of this on here. These do come in separate pieces. You also do get like light posts and everything too. So you get plenty of stuff. So stay tuned for that, guys. But appreciate you guys coming today and checking out this video. Hope to have more of MCO in the future as well. I think they're just renovating the inside of this in real life in the future, not the structure of the terminals. So hopefully they just do that, because then this will make more sense in real life going forward. But yeah, I'm all about the past too as well, guys. Definitely, we don't want to forget the history of aviation as well. But they're always changing stuff moving forward too. So I want to keep up with that too, guys. But until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, guys. Like I said, Model Airport Nation, see you guys soon.